Hello, everybody. Welcome to some more legal analysis regarding the news in Florida. So, here we are. We have a lawsuit filed, as many of you know. Joe Biden is let's just say there's not going to be a primary in the state of Florida in the Democratic Party. And the Democrats have said, we're going to skip that. There's other people running, and there's an attorney, fellow member, who doesn't like that, and he's filed a lawsuit. And you can see here, he has sued the Florida Democratic Party, and it's in federal district court for the Northern District of Florida. And as we can see here, he's alleging that his constitutional rights as a voter were violated. So it's likely that he is maybe a self-represented litigant. And the specific sections of the Constitution which are mentioned here are due process and equal protection. And so due process says that if the right to vote is a fundamental right, and when that right is infringed, we say strict scrutiny applies, which is in layman's terms means that the government has to have really good reason for allowing it. In this case, the Democratic National Committee is not the government, as a political party. So we'll have to see how this plays out. And he also says it violates the Equal Protection Clause. That also, I think, maybe that's based on, saying, okay, I'm, a voter in Florida. I should have the same rights as other voters that get to participate in a primary. Because I don't get to vote in a primary, that somehow means that my equal protection. I'm not sure if that's what the argument is, but that's, I guess, what it possibly could be. With some of these lawsuits, some of these issues, they can fall prey to something we call the political question. That may be how the court looks at this and say, whether a primary should happen or not happen. Maybe that's a political question. In other words, the court doesn't get involved with it. Maybe they don't. Maybe they say the other. What could be, I guess, the possible outcome of this to say, well, you have to have a primary. What does that mean exactly? I'm not sure that's going to work out. So I'll have to see how this plays out. I think like I said, I think there may be some issues with the constitutional arguments with this. Might be a political question, but these are just theories. So thanks for watching this, and hope you enjoy. Please subscribe and give us a like. Thank you.